Alright, so today what we're going to do is we're going to try and determine if something is a factor of another. So in order to do that, we are going to synthetically divide by what we did yesterday, and then we're going to have one more extra step today. We're going to use that synthetic division to determine if something is a factor. So when things are factors, that's where my remainder is going to be 0. If you think about it again, 4 divided by 2 gives me 2, but 5 divided by 2 gives me 2.5. So 2 is not a factor of 5, but 2 is a factor of 4. So if we get that nice little 0, that is going to be what we're looking for today. So we're going to start this the same way we did yesterday. I've got my 4, my 3, my 2, my 1, my 0. So we're going to divide by 2, because it's the opposite over here. So we have 2, 5, negative 8, negative 17, and negative 6. We always start by bringing down that first number. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Negative 8 plus 18 is going to give me 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Negative 17 plus 20 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. So it's asking me, is this a factor? I'm going to say yes. Let's pick a fun color. My answer is going to say yes, because I got that remainder of 0, what I wanted. And then 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus 10x plus 3. So today this is what I'm looking for as my answer. If I get a number here, then I'm simply just going to say no. So let's try this next one. I'm going to divide by negative 5. I have cube is 1, squared is 9, first is 23rd, my constant is 15. Bring down that 1. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. 23 minus 20 is 3. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. So my answer here is yes. X squared plus 4x plus 3. Again, factors are things that divide evenly into others. So a factor of 6 is 2. A factor of 25 is 5. A factor of 40 is 10. So on and so forth. I'm just looking for things to see whether or not they go in. If so, they have that nice little 0 there. So I've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. I don't have a constant, so that means I'm going to have a plus 0 for that constant. So we're going to divide by 3. We have my fourth is 1. My cube is 3. My square is 13. I almost wrote 2 instead of 13. My first is negative 15, and my constant 0. Remember, if you don't have it, you have to insert a 0 for it, or else it doesn't. You're going to mess up your entire problem. You won't end up with enough things. Bring that 1 down. 1 times 3 is 3. So I'm going to add 3 and 3 together to get 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Negative 13 plus 18 gives me 5. 5 times 3 is positive 15. Negative 15 plus 15 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Therefore, my answer is yes. It is a factor. X cubed plus 6x squared plus 5x. Now, my constant term here is just 0, so I can write plus 0, or I'll just leave it as the following. Go ahead and try this one on your own, so please pause the video. Alright, welcome back. You should have got your answer. Here is no. This is not a factor. That's all I got for you.